So we're back with a brand new product. This is the OUTJUT 2-pack of hand warmers, specifically good for use for outdoors. So like these things are usually going to be your USB-C for the newer devices. It comes with a little case, but also a cord. And they have battery life on them specifically to, keep them charged. And it looks like they're about 3,000 milliamps each. So you can see here, the case is very snug in there. And it looks like this is going to be your power button. And you have 3 levels of control there. There's your plug for charging. Oh wow, that's already getting really warm. That's actually very nice. So the heat's coming from the top here. The bottom part here is not heating up, not getting too warm. Even this area here on the outer edge is not warming up. It's all this area right here. So it looks like at the very bottom of this cage, we have the actual manual. Whew, that is warm, that is nice. Multiple languages on the manual. Interesting. Oh, that's cool. Okay. If you want full circle heating, you can snap these in place and they push to unlock. That's really cool. Okay. So you can use this as one device or as 2 devices, depending on what your needs are for heat. Again, 3 settings. We want to turn it off and on. You just hold it. And that'll turn it on. And then any push is going to cycle between the 1, 2, 3. And then if you want to turn it off again, you have to hold it to turn it off. So it says it can reach about 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The battery life says that it lasts 20 hours at its lowest setting, and then at its highest setting, 8.5 hours. So you're definitely going to get some good use out of this for heat. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to recharge them. And the USB cord is a split USB-C. So you will be able to charge both at the same time, which is really nice. They don't normally sell a lot of these, so the 2-in-1 charging is nice. So low temp, the first setting is 95 to 107. Medium temp is 107 to 118. And then the high temp is up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, that is very warm. These are not waterproof though, so do not take them out and use them in waters. They're more for like inside your pockets. I know if you're going to use these in snow, there is snow around the area, but just keep these inside the gloves, inside the pockets, inside the suit. Again, to turn it off, just hold the button. It'll turn off. Yeah, that's really cool. I do like the case that it comes with. I think it's very nice. They do just sit very snug in there. Very cool. Well, hope you guys found this interesting. Hope you guys pick up one for yourself. We'll see you guys next time.